because I am. You're not even recording anyway. Hey, this is Rick Wilson, and this is O.A.M. And I'm gonna try to do this with 2 cameras. Hope they work out. I got one up under here, and I got that one. I'm gonna try to get my alternator out. I put some ghetto blaster on there, so I'm hoping it's been like that for a few days. So we're gonna see if we can get it off there. I've examined the pulley on it. Ain't no way, man. There ain't no way that's gonna do. So let's see if we can get it off there. Oh, 12. So let's see if we can get it off with the hands in. Yep. Sit there. Let's see, where did it go? You know what? This is so fun if it wasn't such a pain in the butt. Let's see here. These are what? Okay. Don't want that. Why? Because it has big shaft over it. Look at that stitching. Just at it. This is that ain't coming off. Grab them days. I don't know what I'm going to do right now. Where's my extension? I just had it. This stuff. Oh, that's what it did. It tightened it up. Are you turning now? Well, you should be. But you don't seem to be. I'm gonna let you fly. Well, that goozle did pretty good on this. Alright, let's just set that right there. Let's see if I can get a little tap out. A little bit more. That's good. That fits it. Well, let's put your own reverse. How about that? Yeah. You're not watching this channel because I'm good. I hope to be entertaining. I do get things done. However, Had that a lot right there, didn't it? Yep. So you going up there? Good. Yeah. Somebody decided to put a different size. 2.5. No, 14. So. What are we doing here? Oh, there we go. So it's threaded. Okay. Why did it have a nut on the other side? I don't know. But it did. Alright, so let's just continue with the operation. More light on the subject. Okay. Yeah. Well, what I'm doing right now is probably worthless anyway, because I don't think any of these cameras are working right, but I guess they are. Let me just set you right there. The camera's getting a good picture of my butt right now. That's probably not something you'll forget soon. Yeah, turn that 10 too. Let's see if I can get this up right here. Notice I got a coat on, right? Yeah. That's cool. There we go. It faulted down. It faulted down. Okay, so now what do we got? Oh Lord, look like that. That ain't even a... Are you kidding me? You better... Wait a minute. Surely not. You cannot tell me. Are you seeing this? Look at this. There's not a pin bolt in the back of this. I can't believe that. Well, one thing it'll do, it'll make it easier to take it out. God, I put it on the ground and ripped all my wires out. Alright, so let's put it on the back. Yeah, man. Alright, let's see if we can. Over here. Let's go down. Right there. Because I am. You're not even recording anything. Alright, well, I don't know how much of it got recorded, but I have taken out my camera quit. Oh, I tell you what, let's start from the beginning. Welcome to O.A.M. Garage, where I can't seem to do anything right today. So, anyway, I hope you stick around just because of that. Watch me kill myself, or something of that nature. Anyway, I just spent a whole lot of time with this camera up here, which is off now. It's off. It may not even be there. Of course it's not. Here it is. Well, maybe I'll bring you up with, it did get recorded on the little camera, but anyway, what I'm doing is I'm taking the alternator off because, like I said before, the pulley is just rotten. I was wrong about maybe being able to fix it. So I'm going to get that, we need a core when we take it down to O'Reilly's, so I'm going to take it off. But what I just found out, which is crazy, I pulled off the front stanchion. It had one bolt in it, you know, so that you can tighten up it did not have, or it has lost, the go-through bolt that holds the bottom of the stupid thing on. So when I took the bolt out of the top, yeah, it almost fell down to the ground, almost, but it didn't. So anyway, that's where we'll begin this feat. And what we'll do here is put some tools up that I don't need. There we go. Once you do it, even though I've got a magnet. All right. So now I'm going to reach down here. Hopefully, get this thing. I know it's heavy. Oh, it's still going. Unbelievable. Sometime during the quiet time, that fell out. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. Now, see this? Let's split up here a little bit. Look at this. Still turns. Yeah. But she's seen better days. And it would probably still work if I could get this off and put a nerding on it. Look what I did to my finger. Okay, so what do you do, right? Okay, so right now I need to get this off. And I need to mark these here wires so that I can take it down there. Woo, look at them wires. And me being an electrician. Oh, look at that. Vice grip's been here. Vice grip must have worked on. I bet he stole that bolt. What do you think? I don't know. Oh, he probably did. Alright, so those gonna need some goozle on them too. You know what I think I'll do? I'm gonna just cut those off. But I'm gonna take a picture of it. There we go. I haven't got my camera on. Oh wait, I'm holding one. So. Cut those wires. I don't feel like trying to take them off, and they're worthless anyway. Okay, so we know the big one goes to where the coil goes. Alright, okay. So, now I'm bleeding. It's all a part of war, I guess. Alright, so now you're... Alright, so let's see what else we can get into today. Probably not a whole lot. Okay, I'm going to cut you off. Or am I? Or am I? No, because you're my sound. Let's just turn you around this way. There we go. And put you right here. So that when I walk around, we can see what we're doing. Alright, so the next thing that we could do, I suppose, besides taking this stuff and setting it down over here, is let's see if we can pull up those battery wires. Yeah, where is one? Oh, I got my hand on one. Okay. Well, I could even cut that shorter, which I probably will, so I can get some good stuff on it there. I got to take that off. Cameras, you know how they are. They don't ever work right. So let's go over here. Let's just use another one. Let's use this one. Nope, can't do that. Yes, we can. Watch. Alright. Good Husky tools. Husky meter. Let's see. Is that right? Oh, you're kidding me, right? Is that a square bolt? It better not be a square bolt. Nut. Why do I call nuts bolts? I don't know. But I do it seemingly all the time. I don't know why I do it. Oh. Let's see here. There's the light still on. So we might as well use it, huh? Yeah. Let's try that. Will that fit up there? I doubt it. Of course nothing's going right today, so of course it won't. Alright. Well, I guess it is. Alright. Oh, that one don't work. Or do we? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That one works. So, let's take that Stick that in there. Of course it's going the wrong way. Of course it is. There we go. Are you looking? Are you looking? You're not paying attention if you're not looking. Alright, there we go. Alright. Pull that off. Can we pull that off? Of course we can. Not with our hand. Ah, yes, we can. Alright. So there's that little do-flatcher. Yeah, okay. And here's our little do-flatcher. And I am not going to make you watch me cut that and do what I need to. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so I have, I've got this cleaned up right there. And it's ready to go back up on the battery, which is cool. But we need to get up under the truck and see where. Man, is somebody just stealing stuff on that truck? I don't know. Alright, hang on. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can see where the ground wire is hooked gated. Well, oh, we're too far. Oh, good. It's on the other side. Yep. What else is there? You see it better than I do. Not good. I mean, I'm too big to get up there, so I may just, what I'm gonna do here, I'll have to take a look at this, see what we got going on. I don't see a bolt coming out on this side, so is it? Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, that's for the gas tank. Or something. God, wait a minute. Yeah, it is right there. Let's see what we got going on there. Alright, so we go here and pull it out. Okay, pull it out. It stops right. Oh, I feel a bolt. I sure do. That's gonna need some goozle. Yep. But that will come off. That feels like about a 5/8 or 3/4 or something. I might put some goozle on that. Alright, well, that may be all we do today. We'll see. Anyway, I'm glad to see that. I think I really want to put a new one on there anyway. I don't know. I got to figure out where exactly I'm going to put it. I think I'm going to put it right there with that other one. And then come up. And that wire may not be long. Alright, I think that's enough for today. I think what I'm going to do here is obviously I've got to take this, get another one of these. I'm going to take a measurement on the ground wire and see if I can't get me one of those and put in a new one. It shouldn't be that expensive, but anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I have not, because it really hacked me off. But no, it did not. Yeah, it did. It really hacked me off. So all you people that are listening and all that kind of stuff, well, life goes that way sometimes, don't it? Alright, well, this is O.A.M, Rick Wilson. Come on back and see me. Hey, if you hadn't subscribed, do it. Give me a like, do something. Don't just sit there, do something. Be sweet. That's what you can do. You can always be sweet.